In the mid-September 2020, I heard this term bug bounty. Out of curiosity, I googled about it and found that it is the legal way of hacking into companies and reporting to them and earning money. The point that the companies give permission to hack into their website or app got me interesting. So finally, after a month of procrastinating, I've decided to take action. Fortunately, there are many people in the community sharing their knowledge in form of videos, write-ups, and in platforms like Twitter and Medium, etc. After a certain amount of research, I felt like there is not really much of a barrier to get started. Since I have played some CTFs, I have some programming experience in Python and C, and also read some books related to cybersecurity over the past year. I know there's a lot to learn ahead, but I thought this would be enough to get started, and I did. After a few days in the process of learning stuff and experimenting, I found my first bug, which is a subdomain takeover, and the feeling I got after that was priceless. I found a few other bugs in the same month and I was really happy. I've started using some tools to discover vulnerabilities and sometimes even copy pasting the code I found on GitHub and Twitter. In this process, all I've got are duplicates. And yeah, as a beginner, duplicates are really a good sign of progress, but this question in my mind kept me thinking, and the question was, am I doing this right? After some thought and consideration, I realized that this may be a wrong way to learn. So after this, I've started learning about specific bug types and how to exploit them, and also spending a lot of time using Burp Suite and learning many other things. I'm not saying that running tools or copy pasting the code you find on GitHub or Twitter is bad. You can try them, but do you think they're gonna help you in the long run? So here are some things that I've learned and conclusions that I've made while doing bug bounties for a month. Stop copy pasting the payloads that you find on social media and instead focus on where the bug can be found and ways to exploit it. And understanding the code aspect of the bug is very important in some scenarios. Learning technologies behind websites and apps. In some scenarios, you must be able to understand the technologies that a website or an app built with. In general, you can learn HTML, JavaScript, PHP and many other things to understand the web better. Yeah, there are many people who don't know how to code and still earning a lot of money in bug bounties. And also there are some bugs you can find without any programming knowledge like open redirects, subdomain takeover and IDORs, etc. But learning how to code adds as an advantage and really helps you in becoming a better hacker. Even if you don't know how to code, you must be able to understand the code to become a better hacker. And the next one is make your own methodology. After trying different approaches while hunting bugs, you start seeing some kind of approach and pattern that helps you find bugs easily. So always create your own methodology and unique approach, which eventually sets you apart from the crowd. Automate. Automation becomes a big time saver if you did that right. I have tried to automate my recon with a bash script and it really helps me in saving my time. I just have to run one command. Yes, it takes some time to write your own scripts to automate, but it really helps you by saving your time in the long run. And the next one is taking notes. It's my number one recommendation. Not only in bug bounties, but it also helps everywhere, no matter what your field is. I use Evernote for taking notes and normal pen and paper at times when necessary. Best lesson I have learned till now in doing 1 month of bug bounties is start hacking today. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and thank you.